Imagine a pickup truck so large, so powerful, and so technologically extreme that it completely redefines what an electric vehicle can be. A truck that doesn't just handle difficult terrain, but makes it feel irrelevant. This is the 2026 GMC Hummer EV Pickup, and it's not here to be sensible. It's here to make a statement. If you enjoy calm, in-depth breakdowns of the world's most powerful and luxurious vehicles, make sure to subscribe to Luxury Cars Analysis, because this channel is all about understanding what truly sets these machines apart. The Hummer name has always been about excess, size, power, presence. But in 2026, GMC has taken that attitude and rebuilt it around electricity, software, and sheer engineering ambition. This isn't a converted gasoline truck. It's a purpose-built electric monster designed to push boundaries in every direction. From the moment you see it, the Hummer EV Pickup feels unreal. The proportions are massive, unapologetic, and almost military in stance. The wide body, towering ride height, and oversized tires give it a presence that dominates anything around it. This is not a vehicle that blends into traffic. It announces itself before it even moves. The design is bold and futuristic, with sharp edges, squared-off surfaces, and a lighting signature that instantly sets it apart. The full-width LED front bar and illuminated GMC branding give it a sci-fi personality, while the short overhangs and exposed underbody elements hint at its serious off-road intent. Everything looks heavy-duty, but nothing feels outdated. What truly separates this truck from anything else on the road is what sits underneath it. The electric architecture allows each wheel to be controlled independently, delivering instant torque with extreme precision. Acceleration feels shocking for something this large. The truck moves forward with a force that feels more like a high-performance SUV than a full-size pickup, and it does it in near silence. Despite its weight, the Hummer EV launches with authority. Power delivery is immediate and relentless, making highway merges effortless and off-road climbs feel almost unfair. This is electric torque used to its fullest potential, and it completely changes how a truck of this size feels to drive. Battery technology has taken a noticeable step forward in the 2026 model. The updated system offers improved range, better thermal management, and faster charging capability. On long drives, the Hummer feels more usable than earlier electric trucks, and on short aggressive runs, it feels unstoppable. Fast charging allows you to recover meaningful range quickly, making ownership more realistic than many would expect. Then there's the technology, and this is where the Hummer EV truly feels like it belongs in the future. The driving experience is heavily software-driven, but in a way that feels intentional rather than overwhelming. Features like four-wheel steering transform how the truck moves, making tight spaces easier to manage despite its size. Crab walk allows the truck to move diagonally, helping it navigate trails, rocks, and narrow paths that would normally be impossible for something this wide. Extract mode raises the suspension dramatically, giving the truck enormous ground clearance and the ability to crawl over obstacles that would stop most vehicles instantly. Underbody cameras stream live footage directly to the central display, letting you see what's happening beneath the truck in real time. It feels like driving with X-ray vision. Inside, the cabin blends rugged design with modern luxury. The materials feel solid and purposeful, but there's also a clear focus on comfort and technology. Large digital displays dominate the dashboard, offering sharp visuals, quick responses, and intuitive controls. The interface feels modern, customizable, and surprisingly easy to live with. Removable roof panels turn the cabin into an open-air experience, adding a sense of freedom that fits the Hummer's adventurous personality. Storage solutions are smart and flexible, and the overall layout feels designed for real-world use rather than showroom appeal alone. Advanced driver assistance systems bring another layer of sophistication. Hands-free driving support on compatible highways reduces fatigue on long trips, while adaptive systems continuously monitor traffic, speed, and lane position. Even while towing, the truck maintains stability and confidence, making it feel far more manageable than its size suggests. But now comes the part where excitement meets reality. This level of capability comes at a serious cost. The 2026 GMC Hummer EV Pickup sits firmly in the ultra-premium price category, far above most traditional pickups. Ownership costs don't end at the purchase price either. Massive tires, specialized components, and insurance premiums reflect the truck size, weight, and value. Charging costs are lower than fueling a large gasoline truck, but electricity for a battery this large is still significant depending on usage and local rates. Parking in urban environments can be challenging, and charging infrastructure may not always be convenient, especially on long or remote trips. And let's be honest, most owners will never fully use what this truck is capable of. The Hummer EV Pickup offers extreme performance and off-road ability that goes far beyond daily needs. It demands space, attention, and commitment. But that's also the point. The Hummer EV Pickup isn't about efficiency or practicality. It's about presence. It's about owning something that feels impossible, something that pushes technology and scale to the edge. It's a vehicle designed for people who want the most outrageous electric truck ever built, not the most logical one. So should you buy the 2026 GMC Hummer EV Pickup? If you want a practical daily truck, probably not. If you're chasing value for money, there are far better options. But if you want a vehicle that feels like a rolling experiment, a statement of power and innovation, and a glimpse into what electric vehicles can become when limits are ignored, then this truck delivers like nothing else. The Hummer EV Pickup doesn't try to be reasonable. It doesn't try to be subtle. It exists to be unforgettable. And in a world where many vehicles are starting to feel the same, that alone makes it special. If you enjoyed this deep, no-hype breakdown and want more calm, detailed, high-authority reviews of the world's most extreme and luxurious vehicles, subscribe to Luxury Cars Analysis, and stay tuned, because the future of cars is only getting bolder.